You are welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad Algebra problem, which is 2 to power m plus 4 to power m plus 8 to power m. This is equal to 39. What is the value of m? Solution from here. And we have that m is a member of real numbers. Now, from here, we can express 4 to power m as 2 to power 2 raised to power m, then plus we can express 8 as 2 to power 3 raised to power m. This is equal to 39. The next step is that 2 to power 2 raised to power m plus 2 to power 3 raised to power m. This is in the form of a to power n raised to power m, which we can express as a to power m raised to power n. Applying this property, exponent property, then here we have 2 to power m plus 2 to power m raised to power 2, then plus 2 to power m raised to power 3. This is equal to 39. The next step from here, we can just say let 2 to power m be equal to x. Let's substitute x here. We have x plus x to power 2, then plus x to power 3. This is equal to 39. Now, we can express 39. Now, we have x to power, that is x plus x to power 2, then plus x to power 3. This is equal to 39. We can express 39 as 3 plus, this is 9, then plus 27. So this totals to 39. Now, let's take 3 plus 9 plus 27 on the left hand side. So you'll have x plus x squared plus x to power 3, subtract 3, subtract 9, subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Now, we can combine x and minus 3 here. So we have x minus 3, close the bracket, then plus x squared. We can express minus 9 as minus 3 to power 2. So we have power of 2 here and power of 2 here, then plus x to power 3, subtract 27, which you can express as 3 to power 3. We have a power of 3 and a power of 3 here, so this is equal to 0. The next step is that if you check this particular part, this is the difference of two squares, which you can express as a squared minus b squared. And this is the difference of two cubes, which you can express as a to power 3 minus b to power 3. So here we have a squared minus b squared. This we can express as a plus b, a minus b. So this implies that x to power 2 minus 3 to power 2, this can be expressed as x plus 3, x minus 3. And then we have the difference of two cubes, which is a to power 3 minus b to power 3, which you can express as a minus b, then a squared plus ab, then plus b squared. So this implies that x to power 3 subtract 3 to power 3. This can be expressed as x minus 3. Then here we have x squared plus 3x, then plus 3 squared, which is 9. So let's combine these two equations here. Now here we have x minus 3 plus x plus 3. We have x minus 3, then plus here we have x minus 3, then x squared. Here we have x squared plus 3x plus 9. This is equal to 0. Now, from what we have here, you can see clearly that x minus 3, and x minus 3 is common here. So we can factor out x minus 3, so that now in the parentheses here we'll have 1 plus x plus 3, then plus x squared plus 3x plus 9, close the bracket here, this is equal to 0. So this implies that we have two parts here. The first part is x minus 3, this is equal to 0. And this implies that the value of x here is equal to 3. The second part here, we have, now here we have x squared, you can write this as x squared, plus, now this is x plus 3x, so plus 4x. Then we have 1 plus 3, this is actually 4. 4 plus 9, this is equal to 13, this is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, this is equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 13. So the next step here, let's assess the nature of this quadratic equation by determining the discriminant value, which is b squared minus 4 times a times c. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c. So we have 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 13. So here we have 4 squared, which is 16, minus 13 times 4, which is 52. So 16 minus 52, this is equal to minus 36, which is less than 0. So in other words, negative 36 is less than 0. So this implies that we will have no real solution in this case. This will not give us a real solution. In other words, we'll have complex solutions here. And given that m is a member of real numbers, this implies that this part is rejected. This part is rejected. So let's proceed with x equal to 3 here. Let's proceed with x equal to 3. We have that x is equal to 3. Now, if you recall, we said let x be equal to 2 to power m. Now here we say let 2 to power m be equal to x. So substituting the value of x here, we have 2 to power m. This is equal to 3. To solve for m, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 2 to power m. This is equal to log 3. And then you find that log 2 to power m, this is in the form of log a to power n, which you can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 2 to power m becomes m log 2. This is equal to log 3. Let's divide both sides by log 2 by log 2. So let's simplify here so that m is equal to log 3 over log 2. And define that log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log a over log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then you find that m is equal to log 3 to base 2. Now, this is the value of m. This is the value of m. So the next step here is to verify. So let's verify that m satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we have that 2 to power m plus 4 to power m plus 8 to power m. This is supposed to give us a value of 39. Let's substitute the value of m. So we have 2 to power log 3 to base 2, then plus 4 to power m, we can express this as 2 to power 2 log 3 to base 2, then plus 8 to power m, which is 2 to power 3 log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 39. Now, 2 to power log 3 to base 2, we have 2 to power log 3 to base 2, plus we can express 2 to power 2 log 3 to base 2. Remember, this is a power. This can be expressed as 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2. And then plus 2 to power 3 log 3 to base 2. This is a power. We can express this as 2 to power log 3 to power 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 39. Now we have 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which will give us a value of a. Applying this logarithm property, then we have 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This will give us a value of 3. And you find that 2 to power log 3 to power 2 to base 2, this will give us a value of 3 to power 2, and this is equal to 9. We have that 2 to power log 3 to power 3 to base 2, this will give us a value of 3 to power 3, and this is equal to 27. So let's substitute this 3. So here this is the same thing as 3 plus 9 plus 27. This should give us a value of 39. So 9 plus 3, this is 12. 12 plus 27, this is 39. And this is equal to 39. So the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this implies that the value of m, which is log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, because this will support me. This will help me on my side. See you in the next video. Bye bye.